leftovers, we can get high. Because me gone, I feel alive. Anywhere, anyway, I will love you. We rule the world, just you and I. Just let me down, we walk the line. When all the things go wrong, I'll take a shot for you. Give me your love, give me clouds, never let you go. Give me your love, give me clouds, never.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel, and here is a new video after about almost 5 months. I was caught up with my job and everything, so I apologize for that. In this video we'll be revealing this Vespa 150 that I bought in January. I didn't get time to make a video on the channel, and if you follow me on Instagram or on Facebook, you might already have seen this tiny scooter. So this is a 1971 Vespa 150. It's a 150cc two-stroke scooter, and it has 8-inch wheels. 8-inch के wheels है. And I bought this from a very close friend of mine whose name was Hassan, and he was from Thailand, not from India. Thailand में पैदा हुआ and वहाँ का ही था. He came here for higher studies. So this scooter is very special for him. मेरे को तो उसके पास ही वेस्पा देख के मोहब्बत हुई थी वेस्पा से, and then it slowly grew on me. He bought it in around 2014 or something like that, and then he got it restored. ये color में नहीं थी when I first bought it. It was in grayish color, but the overall body, the domes and everything had some issues, so I had to change it to something else. If you guys are having questions कि ये गाड़ी अभी पेंट इधर से नहीं कर रहा उधर से नहीं कर रहा और ज़रा पेंट उतना ख़ास नहीं है, तो this is what I wanted, and it's called rat for a reason. rat है, यहाँ पे स्टिकर लिखा है rat बोल के, and I call this rat. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen the rat captions and everything on the channel, I mean on the Instagram profile. So here are some stickers that I made, and this is the spare wheel. This is functional, this is not just for poza manna. ये nuts खोले तो you can remove the wheel and then you can fit it, and I have the tools in here. This compartment, this is the storage part, storage box आजकल गाड़ियों के अंदर आता. This is the tank. So इधर है ये, इसको डिक्की बोलते हैं तो ये डिक्की है, and some more stickers here. This is the compartment where you can store stuff. So this is the Vespa keychain, थोड़ा बहुत मैच हो जा रही, and इधर एक थैला रखा और यहाँ एक spark plug, and then these are some tools. And one more thing, this is the switch here. तो इसके अंदर ignition switch नहीं रहता, मतलब this is just a handle lock, this lock. So if you just see ये handle lock हो गया, so it locks automatically when you turn to the left side. So कभी कभी क्या होता है, अगर लॉक करना भूल गए या उल्टा डाल के लॉक कर दिए, कभी लॉक डाल के बिना चाबी निकाल दिए, तो क्या होता है, हैंडल तो खुला दिखता है, आप समझ के गाड़ी निकाल लेते, एंड देन इट लॉक इटसेल्फ एंड देन यू विल फॉल. वो भी ऐसा घूम घूम के गिरा गिरते. तो it doesn't have an ignition switch. So what they did is from the company, यहाँ पे एक switch आता, if you turn this over the bike won't start, it won't get current. So ये नीचे रहा तो it will start, and the ऊपर रहा तो start नहीं होती. So this is the ignition switch. तो गाड़ी कहीं भी पार्क करे, कहीं कोई नहीं लग जाना, गाड़ी स्टार्ट नहीं होना बोले तो ये बंद करके वापस ये डिक्की बंद कर देना. For the people who think Chetak and Vespas are similar और सेम, बाजू बाजू रख के देखना पड़ता तो ये समझ में आता. मैं भी हल्ला था पहले, मेरे को भी चेतक में वेस्पा में फ़र्क नहीं दिखता था, सेम दिखते थे दोनों. तो बट ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है. वेस्पा आसमान है तो ये ज़मीन है, चेतक ज़मीन है, कि मतलब फासला बोल रहा हूँ मैं उतना. तो वो व्हील्स, नॉट जस्ट द व्हील्स, खाली व्हील्स बोल के नहीं, ये ओवरऑल द बॉडी, द फ्रेम, द हैंडल बार and the domes, everything is smaller in this, and it has the boots also. साइड स्टैंड भी है. साइड स्टैंड पे तो बहुत ऐसा दिखती गाड़ी गिर जाती है अब बोल के, उतनी गिड्डी रहने की वजह से. सो विल स्टार्ट हर अप इन अ मिनट. सो अभी मेरे को ये स्कूटर पे बहुत काम है. It's not complete yet. I have to get a lot of things fixed. I have to change the rims, थोड़ा wobble हो रहा handle. I have to change the wheel bearings and I have to get the speedometer fixed. Speedometer का वायर नहीं चल रहा, मतलब I mean मीटर वायर सही नहीं है, तो इसलिए it's not working. And then I have to change the seats. I have to get the new covers on it. I thought of a tan color, but I don't think वो मिलता market में. But let's see. So I have to get this thing also. Side footrest, it's not functional. Front and the rear shocks changed. I got it replaced. दूसरे new वाले लेके डाल दिया. I changed the wiring, I mean the cables. And this is the engine. It's very dirty. I have to get it cleaned and get this painted. तो plan is कि ऊपर से गाड़ी पूरी, मतलब ये आई वॉन्ट द पेंट टू चिप ऑफ. आई वॉन्ट द पेंट टू, मतलब जहाँ निकलना है निकलना, तो लेट इट बी नेचुरल. एंड आई वॉन्ट टू कीप द बाइक, आई मीन आई वॉन्ट टू कीप द स्कूटर रनिंग, एंड आई वॉन्ट टू कीप द स्कूटर मैकेनिकली फिट. सो everything that you see here is on purpose except for this part. And मेरे को क्या है, ये इंजन जब खोले तो अंदर सब ज़बरदस्त पेंट करावा ना, तो I have to get this paint, this and this parts painted so that when you open the I mean the side cover, ये मस्त दिखना है ज़बरदस्त. I changed most of the parts on this scooter to make it a better scooter ये ज़माने के लिए, क्योंकि पुरानी चीज़ें ख़राब होते ऑब्वियसली. एंड दे अरे रुको, actually this handlebar belongs to a 1962 model, a 60s model, and mine is a 1971 model. So Thailand, I mean Hassan को ख्वाहिश थी ये handlebar की, because he saw the Vespas in his country with this flat meter. They didn't have the round meter. अपने पास थे वो in India. So he got that on purpose, and I had to change, as I said, I had to change some of the body parts of the scooter to make it better. It had some issues with balancing. If you guys don't know, Hassan, who was the owner of this and still is the owner, उन्हें जो चाहता था ये गाड़ी को, मतलब मेरे हिसाब से तो कोई भी नहीं चाहेगा ये गाड़ी को, उतना मैं भी नहीं चाह सकता. उसकी मोहब्बत ये गाड़ी को लेके बहुत थी and है. and I want and I wish कि कभी उन्हें फिर हैदराबाद आना एंड ये गाड़ी लेके चलाना. एंड इट्स नॉट दैट कि ये स्कूटर मेरी है. I still believe that this scooter belongs to him. The heart of the scooter and everything still beats for Hassan. And a modern kid, a modern person, मेरे जैसा या कोई भी, and he's loving a 50-year-old scooter, a scooter that no one really wants now. किसी के घर में रहे तो बच्चों को तो मतलब उनके खुद के बच्चे बेच देते वो. So yeah, बहुत लोगों को कदर नहीं रहती. But this guy from Thailand, he came to India, he got this Vespa and he also got another Java, but sadly he had to sell it to go back to Thailand. हसन के captions and थोड़े conversations के screenshots डालता हूँ, so you guys can understand how much he loves this Vespa. And I'm glad I'm a part of it now. In memory of Hassan, as he was from Thailand, I named the scooter Thailand. So that's the Thailand flag, and these are the stickers, and this is the stepney wheel. It comes off on this nuts, and you can swap the tire. And I have got some stickers here. So the rag theme actually is that you leave the scooter as it is. Let the paint chip off and everything, but you clean the scooter, and you keep it in pristine condition, except for the paint part, and you keep the scooter mechanically fit. And I'm not getting it repainted, as I told you. I want the rag theme. I just want to ride it. I don't want to keep it in a showcase. अभी regularly videos आने वाले हैं, क्योंकि I'll also make an update video in which I'll be revealing one more bike that I have. Not many people know that, but stay tuned for it. There is one more video coming up that will be an update video about the channel, about the plans, about the camera, about my helmets and whatnot. So पहले एक नॉर्मल पहले ऐसा स्टार्ट करेंगे, and then I'll so that is the sound I'm talking about. जो काउंटर गियर की है, आई हैव टू गेट दैट फिक्स्ड. द इंजन इज़ ब्यूटिफुल बट बस वो काउंटर गियर की आवाज़ चली गई तो इट विल बी फाइन. इट हैज़ 3 gears and as I said it's a 150cc. Don't expect it to be like an RX 100. It's not quick but it's cute and it's tiny and it goes to 0 to 80 kmph eventually. This is the first gear. This is a hand gear obviously. सेकेंड गियर एंड थर्ड गियर ख़त्म. गियर ही ख़त्म हो गए गाड़ी में, इतने तेज गियर हैं इसमें. सो दिस इज़ द थर्ड गियर एंड इट इज़ अ 3 gear scooter. द चेतक इज़ अ 4 gear scooter and it is more powerful than this. This is not that powerful compared to Chetak. A Vespa is a Vespa and you cannot really compare it to a Chetak. It looks absolutely different and I mean if you know the differences it's very different than the Chetak. If you don't then तुम्हारे लिए चेतक ही छे. मेरे सब जो दोस्त है जो जिसको बाइक्स के बारे में या स्कूटर्स के बारे में नॉलेज नहीं है, लोग चेतक ही बोलते हैं इसको. मैं जब इसके ऊपर जाता हूँ तो मेरे को बोलते हैं चेतक चला रहा. आई गेट ऑल द ग्रोसरीज एंड एवरीथिंग ऑन दिस स्कूटर. दिस इज़ घर की गाड़ी. So the speedo is not working. I have to get it fixed and थोड़े बहुत चीज़ें हैं गाड़ी में जो सही कराना है. वो क्या बात है, I'll make a video again and yeah it's the ground clearance is very low as it's an 8-inch scooter. यहाँ पे कभी कभी स्पीड ब्रेकर्स पे लग जाती, नीचे घसने की आवाज़ आती. बट ओवरऑल लवली स्कूटर and all thanks to Hassan for selling this to me. And I really wish he comes back to Hyderabad and rides this scooter. I really want him to ride this scooter. I'll make a documentary on him about his Vespa and his love for Vespa. And he recently got a Vespa there. It's a different model. It's not 8-inch wheels. He has 10-inch wheels for Vespa. But that's beautiful too, and it has the chromed handlebar. It looks beautiful. I'll put up his current Vespa that he has in Thailand on the screen right now. Overall when I get the meter working, you guys can see it goes to about 60 to 70 aram se, and it will go to 80 also, but it's I believe it's 60 now and it's fine. It's just that it makes that not so satisfying sound from the engine. And these scooters are very beautiful and you know एक सुकून है ये गाड़ी में. 2 or 3 months back I went on a ride. I have to get the side mirrors. It's very difficult to fit the side mirrors. It doesn't have any clamps also, so that's out of the way. I have to get it fixed here or somehow. So I went on a ride and trust me, I never thought I would love to ride a Vespa on a highway, and that's when I decided that I have to do some rides on this scooter. It looks tiny, it is tiny obviously, but मज़ा बहुत आता मानम. 60-70 पे ही सही, we go slower, but 60-70 पे जो मज़ा है मतलब it doesn't feel stressed at all. बहुत सुकून की गाड़ी है, दिल बोलता और चलाना. Comment down below if you guys have seen any Vespas or have any attachment to this scooters. That's about it. This is a lovely scooter, and if you are a scooter guy or a bike guy, you should ride a Vespa sometime. The satisfying feeling जो छोटी है ना, छोटी रहने से the you don't really understand. मैं जब से 10-15 बार बोल दिया छोटी है, but it's really very cute and it feels so tiny, and then it's powerful. मतलब obviously it's not powerful like the RX-100, but it's powerful in its own way. And the 3 gears obviously कभी कभी दिखता कि मतलब we need one more gear like in the RX-100. I feel so but इसमें उतना नहीं है, but on the highways you can cruise like you know it's crazy. It's like therapy. It's like meditation. That's the perfect word. The more I ride, the more I fall in love with it. Anyways, so that's about it for this video. Give this video a like and a dislike, and I hope to see you around. तो इस पर बैठने का तरीका ये है, और ऐसी ही बैठने में मज़ा है. ऑटो भी चला ले सकते हैं, सीख गए तो. नाचो नाचो नाचो.
Give me your love. Give me your love. We get lost, we can get high. Because me gone, I feel alive. Anywhere, anyway, I will love you. We rule the world, just you and I. To let me down, we walk the line.